My name is Nicholas Devine. I'm the lab manager for the Biomedical and Industrial Systems Engineering Department. Since Gannon has moved to online classes, our labs are closed, so we decided that we had a lot of 3D printers lying around the campus, and there's a movement in the open source community to 3D print and laser cut out face shields for the hospitals to use. So we found some of their designs online, and since we have a lot of 3D printers and we have a laser cutter here in the Biomedical Engineering Department, we were able to start producing these. We collected the printers from a lot of the departments and brought them down into one lab, and now we're starting production. We're hoping to hit about 50 a day by the end of the week. We've been in touch with the Morosky School of Health and Science here at Gannon, and they've been coordinating an effort to donate a lot of their surplus supplies from their labs to local hospitals. So we got in touch with them and said that we can manufacture these. We've also been in touch with LECOM, Hammett, and St. Vincent, and talking to some of the professionals over there to see if they would have a need for these masks and how many they'd like to see. At this moment, we're not looking for donations, but if anybody is motivated, we would greatly appreciate any help that you can give, both us and the Gannon community. Also, if anybody has 3D printing material lying around, we're definitely in need of that. Plastic's hard to come by right now. We have about enough material to make 300 masks, which should last us into the beginning of next week.